The government motion. Sri Prahlad Joshi to move. Prahlad Joshi.
Sir, with your permission, I move the motion that keeping in view of the current session of Rajya Sabha is being held in extraordinary circumstances prevailing due to the COVID-19 pandemic, requiring maintenance of social distancing and keeping the movement of the government officials and others within the Parliament premises to the bare minimum. This House resolves that star question and private member business may not be brought before the House for the transaction during the session, and all the relevant rules on this subject in the rules of procedure and conduct of business in Rajya Sabha may stand suspended to that extent.
Motion moved. There is one amendment to the motion. Sri Derek O'Brien. Are you moving the amendment?
Sir,
Are you moving the amendment?
sir, I am moving the amendment, and please, sir, I indulge you as per Rule 233(2). If you indulge me in giving me 90 seconds time to explain the objective of my amendment. That's all I ask of you, sir.
Carry on.
Thank you, sir. Sir, my amendment basically rejects the government's contention to cancel 0 hour. 0 hour is the heart of parliamentary democracy. That is the only 1 hour every day. 0 hour is the only 1 hour every day where the opposition gets a chance to question the ministers. So we have lost 18 hours of question hour. There is no other place available for us to question the ministers, ask 2 supplementary questions. The history says it has never happened before for a regular session. It has happened for 2-day, 3-day, 4-day session, but for a regular session like monsoon, budget or winter, it has only happened during the Chinese incursion of 1962, and the emergency may be. Sir, if this government was really wanting to make a meaningful suggestion, they should have not struck at the very heart of parliamentary democracy. Sir, my appeal to you, to this government, is I move this motion. I've moved this motion to appeal to the conscience of this government, because this is our right as an opposition to ask questions.
Right, Derek.
Thank you, sir.
You're okay. Please.
Sir, with your permission, I said 0 hour. I meant question hour, 1 hour of question hour. That was a slip of the tongue. Question hour, because I'm not used to sitting and speaking. Yes, sir.
Mike.
The government is responsible to the people of India through Parliament.
Press. Button. Mike. Light has to come first.
Sir, in democracy,
Please brief, Ram Nabhi.
the government is answerable to the people of India through Parliament, and the Parliament comprises of members of Parliament representing different states, different political parties, different regions of this country. The people of the country have no access or no means to ask the question to the minister inside the Parliament. So their representatives are the members of the Parliament. So these members of the Parliament ask the questions on behalf of the people of India. This is a great opportunity, as my colleague Mr. Derek O'Brien has said, that people of India have been deprived by depriving this question hour. So therefore, I would submit it would have been in the interest of this nation and in the interest of the House had the question hour been there. We could have stayed instead of 4 hours, we could have worked for 5 hours, and 1 hour could have been question hour. So I am sorry that I can't support the motion moved by.
The amendment
Honorable
moved. I shall put the amendment moved by Sri Derek Coburn to vote. Those in favor, please say, raise their hands. Those against will please raise their hands, say no. I think the noes have it, noes have it, noes have it. The amendment is negative. Please, I am also aware, like you people, I, from the chair, was very keen to have question hour, bureau hour, call attention, small notice discussion, short notice discussion, and also all other business. But the problem is we are meeting at an extraordinary time. And then the Minister for Parliamentary Affairs suggested to me, I told him, I will not do it myself, though the rule says the chair can do it. So, and there were instances, number of instances, I don't want to join the debate with anybody in emergency or whatever it is. It was the House. And then even also 62, 75, 76, 91, 2000 odd, umpteen number of times it was done away with. I am not justifying that on that account. I would have been more than happy. But for the fact, the question hour, that box of the officers, that will be overcrowded for continuously for that many number of days. Going by other factors of social distancing, hygiene and all, I said, you please have a word with the leaders of the parties. The Parliament Affairs Minister got back to me and told me that he has spoken to majority of the parties except one or two, all of them are in agreement. And then I have myself cross-checked it with some leaders. I don't want to name anybody, don't want to get into this. And having satisfied, I said, okay, but still, for the sake of our system and procedure, you move a resolution. Otherwise, using Rule 38, the chairman would have done it like it was done by the former vice presidents also earlier. That is the background, let's try to understand. But the 0 hour is the 0 hour, will have 10 opportunities. Special mentions are there, then call attention will be there, and there will be short duration discussion also. Certain issues were raised in Business Advisory Committee yesterday by honorable members. I have taken note. I am in touch with the concerned ministers, and during the discussions, one can really participate, question the government, corner the government, vote against the government also. So that's why now the question is that the motion moved by may be adopted. Those in favor will please raise their hands. Aye says aye. Those against will say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the motion is adopted. The question is put as motion is moved and amended as accepted. Then coming back to the 0 hour,